Good evening, students. Today we will learn about head and tail functions. How can we use head and tail functions to retrieve data from data frame? First, I'm going to discuss the definition of this head function. It is used to get first and rows. It means what? Suppose there are 20 rows in data frame and you want to access first 10 rows. So this function you can use. By default it displays the first 5 rows if you are not passing any value as a parameter of this function. So by default it will return first top 5 rows. It means it will execute from top to bottom. The same tail function, it is used to get last n rows. By default it displays the last 5 rows, means head function will execute from top to bottom and this tail function will execute from bottom to top. So practically now we are going to learn this thing. I have created one data frame, new df. Here you can see there are 9 rows started from 0 index up to 8 and columns are name, mass, IP, English, accounts. So suppose I want to access first 2 rows. So how we can access? So we can access this data frame. We have new df dot head and simply call it. So what will the result? First 5 rows will display because by default it will display 5 rows. So the result will be from 0 to 4. You can see here top 5 rows are displayed here. Now another I'm going to see. You can see here new df dot head and suppose आप 2 ही रो देखना चाहते हैं. So just pass 2 as a parameter of this head function. So first 2 rows will display means 0 and 1 rows will display here. You can see here. Same way first 7 rows if you want to display, pass 7 as argument and now result will be displayed here 0 to 6. Now one very important thing, if I will pass any negative value as a parameter of head function, so what will the result? Now you can see it means what? First see the result and then I will explain. When you are passing any negative number as a parameter of head function, so from bottom those rows will be removed. So you can see here there are 9 rows, indexes are 0 to 9, 0 to 8. So here I have passed -2. It means what? From bottom 2 rows will be automatically removed. The same way you can see print and if we pass -6, from bottom 6 rows will be removed and it will display 0 to you can see here 0 to 2, 3 rows will be here. So now I'm going to discuss tail function. As definition, tail function will retrieve data from data frame from bottom to top. So if we are not passing any parameter, means बॉटम से 5 रो जो है वो डिस्प्ले करेगा. यू कैन सी इफ यू पास एनी पैरामीटर in tail function, so suppose 4, so it will return first 4 rows from the bottom. So you can see here one bracket is missing. Print new df you can see here. Now one very important question, it may you can ask that कि सर आप हेड फंक्शन में नेगेटिव वैल्यू एज ए पैरामीटर पास कर रहे थे, तो क्या आप सब पास कर सकते हो नेगेटिव वैल्यू इन टेल फंक्शन? यस, वी कैन पास. यू कैन सी हियर. If I will pass -2, so what will the result? So now the first thing that I want to clear, if you are using negative number as a parameter of head, so that will remove from the bottom. But if you'll just use a negative number as a parameter of tail function, so that will remove from the top. So here all the values will be displayed, but first two rows will be not displayed. So you can see here 0 1, that will be removed. So I hope head and tail function, both functions are clear to everyone, and both functions already people had used in series. So I hope all the concepts are okay to you people. If any query if you have related to this head and tail function, you can write in a comment box, or you can send the message to me, sir I have a problem, then I will try to sort out your problem in the next video. One query had come in previous video, that I think some students have a problem in deep function. So now just in quick I'm going to discuss this. Suppose I have created one data frame df1, and values are here 20, 40, 30. So this is the data frame, and one data frame I'm going to create, that is df2 equal to pd dot data frame, and here I'm going to pass 5, 4 and 6. Now df3 equal to, I'm going to use here which function, that div function. So df1 dot div, and here you can use this df2. So and when we print this, print df3, so you can guess डिवीज़न क्या करता है, डिवाइड करता है. तो यहाँ पर df1 में हमारा वैल्यू जो है वो 20, 40, 30 है, जो df2 से डिवाइड होगा. सो यू कैन सी व्हाट विल द रिजल्ट. यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट, क्योंकि 20 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे इट विल 4, 40 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे इट विल 10, एंड 30 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो इट विल बी 5. सो आई थिंक आफ्टर जस्ट वॉचिंग दिस, the students who have a problem in div function will be clear to you people. I hope you people are enjoying watching this video or previous video also. So if any query if you have, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video.